guys, so today we are going to a factory tour at Edutainment, also known as Dirgantara Indonesia. And also there we cannot walk, it's not allowed, so we are riding bandros, aka a bus. And I sit in the front, my mom, and also if you're last call, that means you're late. So if you want to join and you're late, sorry, but you cannot go here. Get out. And also, now the factory tour starts now. Oh yeah, and there's also a tour guide, and there are those big bales that are blue, and now we are going to the runway that is actually for helicopter. And these are the hangars, and the hangars are the ones that make planes, and there's the assembly line, and also the hangar is used to make planes.
Kami buat itu custom ya, daripada dibuat, jadi tidak mungkin sama. Tapi ada karena militer, jadi pasti sesuai kebutuhan beliau-beliaunya.
Ya warna hijau.
Yang itu kan belum dicat.
Warnanya hijau itu sebagai warna cat dasar.
Tuh, cat dasar.
Semua pesawat dasarnya hijau.
Oh, semua cat dasar.
Jadi kalau ini nanti kita jadi satu pilih hijau, lalu kita masuk ke painting shop yang di belakang, baru juga akan menjadi berwarna-warni seperti yang biasa kita lihat.
Wow.
Mami kan udah pernah lihat proses bikin pesawat. And now we are looking at the planes that are and then stop. And those are the 3 planes that are getting made. And there are 3. I was like, okay, wow. This looks like the plane that I used to escape Antarctica, but it's way too small. From Antarctica, I mean explore Antarctica. Roblox, of course. Okay, what? So this plane is literally the biggest plane, and every day, every time I go to school, also it's called the Hercules. Okay, that is one legend of a plane. When I'm in school and I look at the sky, I'm like, oh look, there's a plane. Oh, it looks so small. POV me now. Oh my god, this plane is a complete behemoth of a plane. Bro is ready for Chernobyl advance. And okay, now let's go. Now let's go here. And now we look at these cool planes. There's also a drone, and the drone name is like Black Eagle or something. And yeah, if you don't know what a drone is, it's like a plane, but it has no pilot. And you're probably thinking, how is it gonna move? It's like a toy, you get a controller and you control it from the plane. And then there's also these thick planes, and you see that blue plane? I was like, wait a minute, that's the plane that actually helped me escape from Antarctica and explore Antarctica. I mean Expedition Antarctica. And oh, okay, nice, S-tier planes. And my mom said, are these in still use? And the tour guide said, no, they're not. They're just copies or prototypes. Later we see plane, but we cannot go inside the plane because it's getting putting cargo and filling it up with gas. And then after that, also it said the vehicles cannot stay there too long, or the whole plane could explode Yeah, I know. And later there's this plane, and then the tour guide said, "You parents probably already know this plane. You probably already see it." And then it said, "I go from Papua to Sumatra." I know. And then later, this little plane, and I said, "Bro, this is the plane that I used to escape Antarctica." And also, there are actually 2 engines. And also, yeah, it's for 19 people. It's not a commercial airline, but it looks like nice. And after we were driving, skirt, I'm in front. I was like, okay, well, where am I going next? I was like, oh my god, this looks like a museum. And I looked at the first plane that had ever touched the water, like don't sink. Okay, that's cool. Oh my god, that's cool. I was like, oh, these planes are actually so awesome. Like, okay, oh wow, okay. Oh, these are the drones. Oh, hello there, drones. Then I look at the cockpit. Pretend to I stand beside a real drone. Like what? And I look at this map. Oh my god, it's big. And that is a missile. I know, that's a real missile. That is a real missile, the white one. That's a missile. And that is also a missile. That is a real missile used in the war. Like, oh my god, wait. My war face. Okay, well, alright, I'm gonna put on my parachute. And I put on my parachute. I'm gonna drop. And I'm gonna drop. Okay, chill. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna crank 90s. I'm gonna crank 90s. Come on. I'm gonna crank 90s. I'm gonna break my ankle. Just kidding. I didn't break my ankle. I broke. When I dropped to the ground, I feel fine. Then my leg just says to my brain, I'm dead. And my brain is like, oh, okay. Drop to the ground. Drop to the ground. Mission failed. But my mom's like, but you did drop with a parachute. Oh, yeah. Alright, come on. Okay, I did. Why does that plane look like it's made of Lego? Oh my god, this is a whole monstrosity. Okay, well, I'm just gonna walk here. Oh, look, some planes. I'm at the store. Ooh, okay, this actually looks really cool. And wow, okay, these. Okay, well, some of them look like the most terrible, ugly things I've ever seen. But look at that Lego. and also look at the like do you want like that looks so cool. We're like, okay, well I'm just gonna go. Okay. Oh, look at this. Look at this. And then after that, okay, I'm gonna go. And then later when I walked too far, the tour said, "Hey kid, where are you going like that?" And I stood with Blitz. All right, come on. And this is the end. Yeah, this is the end. I'm gonna walk. And we're like, oh my god. And it turns out and also there's VIP. If you go VIP, you have 1 hour. So like so it's not a few minutes. So it's like 1 hour. Like you get a more detailed story of like what in the world is a plane? How can a plane land?
Badannya nggak ke belakang, badannya tetap, kepalanya juga tetap, oke? Cuma tangannya nggak belakang, oke? Tangannya pak. Ayo, Ajim. Iya, terus. Badannya diam, kepalanya diam. Ini tangannya ke belakang. Terus. Pelan-pelan. Ya, ombak.
Gemoy. Emang. Oke.
Orang mundur tuh, ini boy.
Thank you.